Hey, Daniel Lee with Windura here, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about painting your windows. And so I want to show you some windows that we installed. I've got a blast from the past video that shows what they look like before they were painted, and today you actually see the paint on them. So maybe it's been 30 days, 6 months, maybe even a year, and you haven't painted your trim on your windows and doors. Don't worry, happens to all of us. And I just want to take this time to show you how important it is and really what needs to be painted. See, what we did to this home is we installed a fiberglass black window, and then we put smart trim. Now what's awesome about this smart trim, it'll resist rot, never have to worry about an old rotting window again. It does come in this kind of primed tan color, and so you'll see that we run Solar Seal 900 on the edges right here. You do want to paint this portion of the window. So when you think about what's left after we leave, the perimeter of the window generally needs a little bit of touch-up paint to match the rest of your home. Back to present day, and then let me take you up close and see what these windows look like now after they've been painted. See these two windows that have been nicely painted, and they look fantastic. Again, this black, the black window frames. I'm going to zoom in here. You're going to see this is where the white Solar Seal was, and this is where the clear Solar Seal, and it's still there hidden behind the paint, creating a nice seal for your window. And so I think this is a great illustration of why you want to paint relatively soon within a first year, because it provides that additional layer of protection. So I hope that helps share the why behind painting within 1 year after your installation, as well as if you're like me, you have a hard time visualizing what the things will look like in the future. If you need recommendations for a painting company, don't hesitate to reach out. We work with several painting companies we'd be happy to recommend. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.